So here's a tree that I had replanted. I took it out of somebody else's yard. And I guess you can say it's doing all right. Look, there's leaves. If you look, there's leaves going all up. Some of them is weeds, but some of it's just a vine that keeps getting in there. So we're gonna try to pull it out. But yeah, it's coming. You see? It's alive. So this is probably about, I want to say, a year. And yeah, this tree's come back to life. It's really big, as you can see. But honestly, it looks like there's only one side of it growing. To be very honest, which is the left side of it. But hey, I'm grateful for whatever. 'Cause, like I said, I did not grow this tree. I pulled it out of somebody else's yard that did not want it. And I'm trying to, they wanted the tree chopped down completely. And I took it upon myself to replant it. See, as you can see, all the rest of that is leaves. Sorry about all the motion video. I had to get that vine. So yeah, this tree is coming back. A lot of it's dead, but it is trying to come back. As you can see. So let's just hope this thing in another 6 months or so comes back to life. The whole thing, not just half of it. And you got any advice on how to try to get the whole thing to come back? Let me know in the comments. Because like I said, the left half of this thing is dead, but there is the left half of it. It looks like it's still trying to kick and bring me some oranges. It is an orange tree. So yeah, there you have it, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's check this thing out in another 6 months to a year. See how it gets. Like, comment, subscribe. And like I say, if you have any advice, if there's a way I can get the whole thing to come back, let me know. If not, then I'll deal with the left side. Thanks.